Meet our new buddy UNICUT H1, the brand new robotic lawnmower from GoatBot. Featuring the advanced GFLS positioning technology, it automatically maps your yard with centimeter accuracy for a seamless, boundary-free experience. It senses, it sees, and it avoids obstacles, all on its own. It knows where to go and won't step over the boundary. Have more than one yard? No problem. It plans, maps, and crosses zones effortlessly, with precision. It can effortlessly conquer slopes of up to 45% perfectly adaptable for uneven terrains. No matter the season or grass length, it handles it all. Wherever you are, control it easily with just a few clicks. Rain or shine, the rain sensor detects and prompts it to return and resume where it left off, ensuring a consistent mowing experience. No matter what weather it is, it doesn't affect it at all. Mow with joy, live with ease.